Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically number rows in Microsoft Excel. Start by selecting the first cell in your series. Enter the starting value, followed by establishing a pattern by typing a value in the next cell. After setting the starting values, select those cells. Drag the fill handle across the range you wish to fill. Alternatively, you can use the row function, which doesn't require a specific pattern. To use the row function, select the first cell in your series. Type =, row, parentheses, A1, and press Enter. Then drag the fill handle across the desired range to complete the process. That's it. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.